Babu seems to be, after joining Goa Forward and all, Babu seems to be a close friend of BJP or the BJP party or the BJP-led government. How this has happened?
Yeah, I always have friends all over. There's never, I am see in politics you don't have permanent friends and permanent enemies. Okay, it is just sometimes time changes, but a person should not change. I have got friends all over. Maybe sometimes it may just be a disagreement you can have, but otherwise I have got a good relation with all.
The present scenario, what do you have to say about the present scenario, about the political scenario which is taking place in Goa?
I just hope and pray to God that our Honorable Chief Minister may recover soon, because I believe Goa needs him, and I feel Goa needs him, and he should get well and come back soon.
There have been talks also saying that the government can topple, new chief minister can be formed or something. Do you believe that it is only Mr. Parrikar who can lead the movement?
I feel that is a commitment from both the supporting partners for the government as far as Goa Forward is concerned and MGP is concerned. That they have said that we will support this government led by Mr. Manohar Parrikar for 5 years. I don't see there is any change which is going to take place. I'm sure of that.
And you feel that the two parties should fulfill their commitment?
Definitely. See, you should work in the interest of the people of Goa. There you should see. There's nothing of personal interest. If all these people have formed a government taking on the larger interest of the people of Goa is concerned. They felt that this would be the right government. Well, government is there also at the center, and where center and state relation become, you have a better coordination between center and state.